Welcome friends to the Infinity Spardha Pariksha Academy. We are here to discuss how you can benefit from the Infinity and join the UPSC course through Sarthi or Bharti or other courses. Let's see the journey. So why to choose the Infinity? Let's see one by one the reasons. So first of all, it's an English medium course, completely English medium, notes, guidance, counseling. Every part will be given in the English medium. So we are been chosen for so many of the exams already. So we are reputed institute. You may be knowing. One interesting attraction is to give a Samsung tab to all of you, and it will be useful for the study. We had a galaxy of successful candidates from this institute in the past. So that's like a right choice for you to join them. So many felicitation ceremonies happen in the past. I am sure you must want to sitting somewhere here, isn't it? Then if you see the faculty base, I myself has been there, and we had so many of them. Good one, Om Sir Unke sir for geography, Pramod Akkauru sir for the CSAT, as well as the Indian Society, Priyanka Gadi madam for the political science, Saurabh Cherki sir for mathematics, etc. So many of them are been available to guide you in this journey. And then one of the most important part is the notes. When you prepare, you require systematic notes, otherwise time is wasted in collecting this or that things. So we have all the notes ready according to the syllabus and the past questions. So they are customized to the needs of the aspirants. Going ahead, we see the batch features. First of all, the comprehensive coverage will be there for prelim as well as the mains. It includes the test series and counseling and every part. Indeed, there are weekly test and discussion, current affairs sessions also there. Plus, we take a daily answer writing sessions, which also become helpful to make a writing practice successfully. Regularly, we bring the successful officers to guide you, and then printed study material also been provided. And not only that, even the optionals are been offered. Optionals play a crucial role in the success, and not everybody is capable to offer the optionals. I myself guide the students for history optional. We also had a political science, anthropology, sociology, public administration, geography, Marathi literature, etc. So plethora of subjects are available, and you can choose among them. Going ahead, some may be having a query about infrastructure available. So then we had a burst of the infrastructure available. AC classrooms are there with the audio visual facilities. Every classroom has a digital board into it, and so you will get a better understanding of the subjects. We also prepare the candidates for the mock interview. Ultimately, the pinnacle of the success depends upon interview also. So, state of art studio is available for the candidates for the preparation. We actually conduct the interviews, and so many silent features have been there, like rooms for counseling and reference material have been also provided separately, etc. Helpline is also been there. So you can summarize all the facilities been here. First of all, we also have a library of our own, and if you join some other library, we may reimburse you the fees. Even that's one other interesting facility provided. And then the plethora of activities that we have discussed, quality notes to Wi-Fi, CCTV is also available for safety, audio visual facilities are been there, digital board, everything has been there in line for you. So we are been impaneled by the Sarthi for so many of them. UPSC, MPSC class 1 to SSC itself is like a faith shown on us by them. And so finally, if you want to join, go through the details. QR code is available, phone numbers are available. I am welcoming you to this grand journey towards success. Become officer,